Hey everyone, so this is a room tour of the Dominick in Soho, Manhattan. We're on the 37th floor and this is a SoHi view. So we've got a king size bed. There's an alarm clock with power and USB charging, as well as power charging from the bedside lamp. You also get a chaise lounge. Really comfortable bed, really comfortable pillows. There's smart controls for controlling the lights and the blinds on the bedside table. As it's a SoHi room, you've got a pretty cool view of the whole city from up here. You've then got a Alexa unit for playing media. There's then also a tablet for controlling the room and for the facilities such as lights, blinds and facilities within the hotel. You've also got a writing station, plenty of storage, drawers. Inside the kitchenette area there is a microwave, and you've also got ice buckets. There's a small sink area, espresso machine, fully stocked mini bar, obviously not included. Lots of snacks, complimentary Nespresso pods. There's more controls for the room, so lights, blinds, drapes. It's a large rainfall shower head, toilet, massive bath, sink and vanity area with TV. Lots of little amenities in the room, so cotton buds, makeup remover wipes, all your usual complimentary toiletries, plus bathrobes. There are some slippers somewhere in the room. There's Dominick. Main wardrobe with safe, ironing board is just in that cupboard, but I'm not going to move the luggage. And yeah, that's it. Really good room, really spacious, really good amenities, and a pretty awesome view.